Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to limit how Twitter uses some of your network data. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the search icon down below, which is the second option. Tap on the settings button in the upper right corner. Click on this arrow in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down to the accessibility, display and languages section. Tap on data usage, which is the last option. And here, as you can see, that you can limit how Twitter uses some of your network data. So you can turn on this data saver function. Thereby videos won't autoplay and lower quality images load. This automatically reduces your data usage for all Twitter accounts on this device. You can select when high quality images should load. It's now set to never, but if you want to change it, just simply click on the never button and select your option. But you can only access it when the data saver function is turned off. So if you click on it, you will be able to select it. You can also select when to upload high quality images and when highest quality available should play, and when videos should play automatically. Here in the storage section, you can check out your media storage and your web storage as well. If you want to clear media storage, tap on the clear media storage button, and you will remove photo and GIF data, and will require this device to download this data again in order to be viewed. You can do the same in the web storage function or section, where you can clear web page storage and all web storage as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.